Ready?
Ready?
Okay, can you sit down? Do you see Gemma? Can you say hi?
Hi. You hope?
You getting buckled in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn around. Turn around.
Turn around.
Yeah. Yeah. I want cookies.
You want to make cookies?
Yeah, for mommy.
For mommy? Yeah. Do you have the hiccups? Do you know what day tomorrow is? What day is it tomorrow?
That's Saturday.
Yeah, Valentine's Day.
Woo.
Do you love your mom?
Yeah.
Do you? You're the cutest. Are you so grown up since last year?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you love your mom? Do you? Hi.
My cookies?
You want to make cookies? Say yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah.
Cookies.
Cookies.
Okay, what's this?
Bow.
A bowl. Do we need a spoon?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go get the spoon. Here's the spoon.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're just doing a mix this time, huh? Because it's easy. Oh. Are you eating it?
Yeah.
Can Dada try?
Yeah.
Can I have some? Mmm. It's yummy. Mmm, is it yummy?
Okay.
Do you want some water?
Yeah.
Okay. Get a kiss. Mwah. Bleh.
Bye.
I'll get you some water.
Bye.
Open that for me, please. And just rip it open. Yeah. Put it in that bowl. Oh. Thank you. Is it a heart?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a heart. Where's Gemma's heart? Yeah, right here. That's your tummy. You want to help Dada do the egg? Ready? Okay, now pull it apart. Oh. Good job. Do you want me to wipe your hands off?
Yeah.
The yucky.
Yucky.
You gotta get the frosting ready. Yeah, that's... Oh. Gemma, no. Help me put this in. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yep, you can stir it now. Hey, you're doing such a good job. See, look.
Yes.
Mmm. Is it yummy? Is it missing something?
The heart.
A heart?
Yeah.
It's missing the special ingredient. Do you remember what the special ingredient is?
Yeah.
Love. Say it really loud. Say love.
Yes.
Okay, here. Here's the bowl of love, Gems. Did you put all of your love in this bowl? Blow some kisses. Mwah. 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 Say I love you.
I love you.
Okay, ready? Pick up this bowl. We gotta put this bowl in here. There we go. Okay. I think it's ready.
So yummy.
Okay, turn it this
My
way.
cookies.
Yeah, we're making cookies, huh?
Mommy.
For mommy.
Some.
For Valentine's Day.
Some.
You wanna try some?
Yeah.
Put it right there and push. Push on it. Like that. Do you wanna do a small heart?
Yeah.
Okay, do a small heart right there. Yeah, do a small heart right there. Push. Good job.
Mommy, thank you.
Little one. Do you want to do this one?
Yeah.
Okay, grab it. Put it down where you want and use both hands. Use both hands and push. Yeah, good job. That's a good idea. Ready? Okay. Okay. Oh, don't. Are you poking holes in the cookies? Okay, let's put them in the oven. Hey, are you eating that? Don't eat that. That has egg in it. No more eating it, okay? Should we dance?
Yeah.
Hey Google, play Love by Nat King Cole.
No problem. LOVE from Spotify. Playing on family room speaker.
Do you wanna dance?
Yeah.
Okay, let's dance. Whoa. Say I love you, Mom. Say I love you, Mom. What is this? Is this a kitty cat? Meow. Does it say kiss me? Mwah. Kiss. Mwah. And here we are. Not the prettiest sugar cookies, but that's okay. Hey, use the knife and put some frosting on. Who's that cookie for?
Pink.
Yeah, it's gonna be pink, but who are you gonna give it to somebody?
Papa.
Papa, okay. Papa, you get a cookie. Who else gets a cookie?
Mother.
Miga gets a cookie, okay. Does Mama get a cookie?
Yeah. Daddy.
Yeah, does Daddy get a cookie?
Gemma.
And Gemma? Okay, gotta decorate them.
The white.
Decorate, yeah.
The white. Red.
Red, yeah, that's right. Yeah, sprinkle some love on there.
Red, the white.
Oh my gosh. That's so many sprinkles. Good job. Okay, let's put that one right there. It's all done. There you go. Yeah, just tip it. Shake, shake.
My cookies.
Cookies! Whoa, it's so big. Can you say so big?
The bag.
Should we write I love Mama on it?
Yeah.
Grab onto this. Oh, that's terrible. I was good at cutting hearts out, but I'm not good at drawing them with frosting. Okay, should we put Mommy?
Yes.
Yeah, you can put some sprinkles on. Okay, hold on. Let's finish writing Mommy. There's an O, another M. Ready? Show Mama. We made this big heart cookie just for you, Mama. Should we take a bite?
Yeah.
Take a bite. It's crunchy. We might have overbaked them. We're eating the cookie. Say Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Say I love you, Mama.
I love Mama.
Blow kisses. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Enjoy these cookies.
Brown got cookies.
Hey, can I have a kiss? Mwah, I love you. Yeah.
Brown.
Bye.
Bye.
Will you be
You will be
my
my
Valentine?
Valentine.
Please.
Please.